Hey everybody, today we're diving into two family car legends, the 2025 Toyota Camry and the 2025 Nissan Altima. One is reliable enough to survive a nuclear meltdown, and the other is cheaper but still comes with some cool standard features that will make you say, well, which one's a better buy? Let's find out. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. The 2025 Toyota Camry rolls in with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine, cranking out 225 horsepower for the front-wheel drive version and 232 horsepower for the all-wheel drive. That's more ponies than a rodeo. It sips gas like I sipped off, getting an impressive 44,250 on it MPG combined, starting at $28,700 and topping out at $36,425. It's got power, tech, and that sweet fuel savings. Wow! The 2025 Nissan Altima sticks to the basics with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, putting out 188 horsepower for front-wheel drive and 182 for all-wheel drive. Not exactly muscle car territory, but hey, it moves. It trades MPG numbers for a lighter price tag, with 28 to 32 MPG combined, starting at $27,000 and maxing out at $34,830. It's roomy, comfy, and easy on the old wallet. Yay, savings. So fancy. The Camry brings the heat with available heated and ventilated front seats, toasty buns in winter, cool buns in summer. Standard wireless charging keeps your phone juiced up, and heated side mirrors help you actually see stuff. Plus, the 7-inch or available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster screams I'm living in the future, baby. And the Altima, yeah, it doesn't even have that. It's not all donuts and beer, though. The Camry's got a smaller trunk than the Altima, 0.3 cubic feet less to be exact. I guess that's like one less box of donuts. Plus, it starts $1,000 higher than the Altima's base model. Yikes! That's more than a few crusty burgers. And while it's packed with tech, it skips cool stuff like the Altima's dash cam and cabin cam. The Altima's got tricks too. Standard remote engine start means you can warm it up from inside while you're still in your jammies. Driver attention alert helps you stay awake, even when the kids won't stop asking, are we there yet? It's roomier too, more space for your tall pals or just more room for snacks. An easy fill tire alert honks when your tires are good to go, so cool. The Altima's not perfecto. No leatherette seats or front parking sensors. Come on, Nissan even must got nicer bar stools than that. The engine's weaker and drinks more gas than the Camry, which isn't great unless you like spending extra at the pump. Plus, no standard road sign assist like the Camry has, so you better pay attention. The Camry's a champ, it's reliable, sips gas like a pro, and gives you more high-end features. Sure, it's pricier, has a smaller trunk, but you get a hybrid engine and fancy tech to make up for it. Go hybrid! The Altima's like that old bowling buddy. Not perfect, but you keep him around. It's cheaper, roomier, and comes with handy tricks like remote start and driver attention alert. But weaker power, lower MPG, and fewer fancy features might leave you saying, why you little? So which one's your pick? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, or I won't share any of my donuts with you.